G'day Jonos, my name's Christian, and today I'm going to show you how to grease the tip of your sprocket nose chainsaw bar. Now, greasing the tip extends the life of your bar, ensures your chain runs smoothly, and it prevents overheating. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, you're going to need the tools to get the job done. Now, first of all, you're going to need a grease gun and, of course, the bar. Now, these bars have a small little hole up at the end of the sprocket there. That's where you'll apply the grease. Now, here at Jono Johno, we do sell two different types of grease guns. So we've got the plastic grease gun here, which comes pre-filled with grease. That is refillable, so you can use it as many times as you want. And then we also have the heavy-duty metal grease gun, which unfortunately doesn't come filled. You'll have to fill that one yourself. Alright, so here I have one of our Hurricane sprocket nose chainsaw bars. If you have a look at the top here, there's this little hole. That is the grease hole. So that's where we'll be filling it with grease. Now, I have a grease gun here that I filled up earlier, one of the metal grease guns. So first, what we want to do, we want to place the tip of the grease gun into that hole, and then just apply light pressure to the plunger. So, light pressure to the plunger, give it a few squirts. Now, as you can see, some grease has started coming out the sides. That's when you know that the bar is adequately greased. So once done, wipe away any excess grease around the nose and around the sides of the sprocket there. Give it a good wipe. This will prevent debris from sticking and wearing out your chain. Alright, and there you have it. A few quick steps to keep your bar in tip-top shape. Don't forget to grease it regularly to keep it running smoothly. Now, if you have any suggestions for future videos, put them in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And happy cutting.